Okay, guys, my new beam has arrived, and I've got the elements together, and I'm putting the boom together right now, the bracket that holds the boom together, made in Italy. So it's a 3-element flat side Yagi. There's the gamma match, and we're going to try to get this beam up today. So I'm using this picnic table with the hole in the middle for the umbrella. There's the mast, and I'm going to position everything in here. I'm going to match it, and then I'm going to have to get it up on that roof, which isn't too bad. It's going to be a bit awkward. It's only about 10 pounds, I think, and the rotor's up there already, and I just have to put the coax on, and we're good to go, but we have to match it first. So there it is, okay? It's going to be a 3-element Serio flat side beam, horizontal for shooting skip. It's going to be up just under 30 feet, something like that, and should be good enough for what I need to do. All right, so listen for me out there in DX land, and hopefully I can get it up today. If not, we'll do work on it tomorrow afternoon when I get home from work. All right, thanks for watching. Cheers.